Just finished up the install, 2016 BMW X3. Got the CarPlay. If we go around to the front of the vehicle now. So we can come through and this will show you. We have CarPlay with the notifications through on your phone, as you'll see will come on the bottom left. We have split screen on the far left, which will give you music and maps in the same place. We have the ability for phone calls. We have the ability for maps. And we have the ability for Spotify or Waze. So we can go to our recently most played. We can skip tracks. We have the ability for Waze as well. If on the far left, on the side, you will see three icons, one for music, one for messaging or phone calls, and one for maps. And then we also will have Siri activation, which will be on the bottom left. So if we scroll to our far left, if we press and hold, we can do Siri activation through here. Obviously we can press to cancel. It works on your steering wheel as well, so volume up and down on your steering wheel. All works as normal. It's completely wireless. As you can see, I can skip the tracks. So it's completely wireless through here. We have a USB available if needed, which will be down here in the corner. You can control through the icon on the far left. This is your overall